Hello everyone, it's Henry here from Outerbridge. This demo is going to be a quick one because I'm just showing you guys how to connect Google credentials through Outerbridge. For example, I'll be using this Google Sheet node, put in this one. So here I'm going to select create a new spreadsheet. So of course you can select other operations that you like adding new rows, update a new cell, delete rows, etc. For this demo, I'm just going to select create a new spreadsheet, continue. So now you have to create a credentials, right? So for credential name, client ID, and client secret. Credential name, you can just name it whatever that you like. For example, I'll name it as my credentials. For client ID and client secret, so how to get those two? First, you need to go to Google Cloud Console, and the next thing is that create a new project. So after you have created a project, so you'll be brought up to this page. Now click the dashboard. So in the left-hand side panel, you can see API and services. When you hover over that one, you have the credentials option. So click that one. Now you're in the credentials page. So we are going to create a new credentials with client ID. Now the application type, choose web applications and name it as whatever that you like. The important part here is the authorized redirect URI. So click add new URI and go back to the Outerbridge. You can see this redirect URL over here. Copy that one and paste it over here. So now create a new credentials. You are presented with your new client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID, paste it over here, and client secret, paste it over here. So save and continue. Now we are ready to connect your applications to your Google account. I'll be selecting my account over here, continue, and then continue. Perfect. Now our account has been connected. Name a spreadsheet name that would like to be my spreadsheet. Continue and click a test node. You can see a new spreadsheet has been created. If you go to your Google Sheets, as you can see, it has been created. Alright, that's all for today. See you guys in the next video.